Hello, David here with MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. I'd like to show you a brand new 2027 Sea Ray 21 SPX. If you follow me down the boat, you'll see that we have a white hull with a black bottom, so no accessories here. It's coming on a painted trailer with dual axles. So we come to the back of the boat. If my assistant will come back here, I want to show you some stuff. We have our stainless steel boarding ladder that hides away nicely. We ordered this boat in with submersible swim step. This allows you to sit in the water comfortably, about torso deep, with the water right here and still be attached to the boat. Very nice feature for Sea Ray. We have a ski pole center here and SeaDek on the swim platform. Let's get up on deck and we'll show you some more stuff. We moved up on deck of this beautiful 21 SPX. You can see there's plenty of room up here in the bow with plenty of seating. There's hidden cup holders right here that you can't trip over. Snap-in infinity flooring under my feet. We have anchor storage up here in the bow. Grab handles and speakers up here. As we come through the middle of the boat, we have a flip-up windshield. Storage on the port side helm. Lockable glove box on the port side helm. Our port side lounger, right now it's set in the lounging aft position. You could also have it so you're sitting forward. There's storage underneath every single seat. Up here on the helm, we have our Fusion sound system, our Simrad dashboard instrumentation, all of our switches, tilt steering, upholstered seat, our binnacle with trim tilt, Bimini top above my head, and this boat is available at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong.